Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 35 Campbell Road here in Woodley. So what we have here is a detached family home. It is extended to the rear. It's got a double-storey extension to the rear and also a kitchen extension, so it's a 4-bed detached now. You can see we've got a garage to the right-hand side. That's a very large garage, not quite a double, but certainly, as you can see, it's not a single garage. That's actually a very wide garage. I'll show you the garage at the end of the tour when we're in the rear garden. But I'm just going to start by showing you the location, the road that we're in. I'm standing in the middle of the road, so that will tell you how quiet this road is. Campbell Road is a tree-lined road, as you can see. This part of the road is pretty much all detached houses. Good frontages. So obviously each property does appear to have good parking. So let's spin full circle and back to number 35. As you can see, we've got a wrought iron gate entrance. Let's just show you the front garden. Nice sized front garden, and also enclosed by a brick wall at the front, as you can see. So whilst the garage is this side, to the other side of the house there is a gate leading down to the rear garden. So let's step inside and let's give you a tour of the house itself. So we're in the entrance hall first of all, and the layout is such that, let me just close the front door. The layout is such that you've got the stairs in front, the door to the right of the stairs is the downstairs WC. We've got a kitchen door just at the end of the hallway. This is a dining room door here, and then on this side we have the lounge door. So let me just step forward. I'm going to spin round to show you the entrance hall in full. There's the front door that we've just come through. So the front door has been replaced. We've got UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows as well. Gas central heating with the radiators. Let's first of all show you the downstairs WC. That's in here. Okay, so what we have here is the sink unit with a vanity cupboard under. As you can see, there's the low-level WC. We've got a radiator there. And just pointing upwards, we have an extractor fan. So that is the downstairs cloakroom. Now let's show you the lounge. This is a particularly nice room. Nice central focal point there, the fireplace. Now that's actually a gas living flame effect fire. It's a dual aspect room. We've got the front aspect window there. And then stepping into the room, you can see we have French doors at the other end. Let me just venture down here and turn around and give you an idea of the view of this room from this angle. Got two radiators in here. As I mentioned, UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows. Okay, so that's the lounge. And now let's move across the hallway onto the other side, and we have the dining room. So we have a table and chairs here, table and 6 chairs, so you can see that that fits in comfortably. We've got a dresser unit to the right hand side, so room for furniture as well. And if I just spin round, we've actually got another sliding door here taking you into the kitchen breakfast room. So this is accessible from the main hallway, but let's go through this door for the tour. So I'm just going to point to the left-hand side because we've got a breakfast bar here with 2 stools, as you can see. The work surfaces are granite, and then firstly to the right-hand side here, good storage, as you can see. The cupboard there, that's a larder cupboard. We've got eye-level units, base units. To the left-hand side here, we have, to the right there, an integrated fridge, and to the left, an integrated freezer. So nice to have integrated appliances, but that's not where the kitchen finishes there, because if we move across to this side, you can see the granite work surfaces again. There's the sink unit there. Nice to be overlooking the rear garden. Again, good base units We've got space for the cooker there, eye level unit here, and then just mentioning that this one here is an integrated dishwasher. A little sort of side window there as well. And then to finish, an integrated, I'm pretty sure, yes, integrated washing machine. So integrated washing machine, dishwasher, fridge and freezer. And then the cooker, this is actually staying, this is one of these flush fitting cookers, but that's actually included in the sale. There you go, door through to the dining room, as you can see there, and that breakfast bar I mentioned. Okay, so now let's take ourselves upstairs. Let's show you the first floor. So the landing, we have, let me just point upwards, we've actually got quite a nice window on the landing here. That's overlooking the back of the house. And then on the landing itself, doors to 4 bedrooms, to the bathroom. Above here we've got access to the loft space. And I'm just going to turn around, spin the camera to the left here, because we've got 2 cupboards on the landing. This one here houses the gas-fired boiler, and this one is the airing cupboard, so that's got the hot water tank. Okay, so 4 bedrooms. Firstly, this one here, bedroom 1. Front aspect. And now I am going to just step into the room, because I just want to point out the fact that we've got fitted furniture. So that's a fitted double wardrobe and also a drawer unit there. But if I step in and turn round, we've got built-in very large double wardrobe with the mirrored sliding doors there. So good storage, good wardrobe space for the main bedroom. And then the second bedroom is this one here on the right. So this is at the rear. Again, we've got a double bed in situ there, as you can see. There's the window. But again, I'm just going to point out the fact that we have built-in furniture. So in the corner you can see we've got a drawer unit, double wardrobe, and then a corner wardrobe and a second wardrobe. I'm just going to point upwards, because then it will give you the shape of the wardrobes that are fitted, because it's sort of in the corner there. So that's all fitted. So again, really good storage. Okay, so that's 2 bedrooms. Now the third bedroom is actually kitted out as an office or a study. So let's try and see if we can show you this room as a bedroom. We've got in the corner here a built-in wardrobe or storage. As you can see, we've got a desk unit all built in. So this is all going to be staying, but again, it can easily be removed. Bookshelving there, but that again can be removed and actually taken back to a pretty good size, and it would be a double room. I'm not sure if the camera really shows you that one, but you could get a double bed in here. So that is bedroom 3, and then last but not least, we've got bedroom 4. That's this one here. Currently got a little 2-seater settee sat there, as you can see. Front aspect window. Okay, so that's bedroom 4. Right, last but not least, we've got the bathroom. So on the left-hand side, we've got the low-level WC. You can see we've got the wash basin with a vanity cupboard under, little work surface there. Bath at the back there with a shower over. Just about to see the shower there. And rear aspect UPVC window. Fully tiled as well. So that's the bathroom. So that's the house. Let's now make our way downstairs and I'll show you the rear garden. Okay, so we're going through the back door in the kitchen into the garden. Now this is a real nice feature of this house, because this is nicely landscaped. It certainly looks like the current owners are very keen gardeners. Let's just step to one side and give you an idea of the garden from a couple of different angles. Lots of bushes, a few trees, patio area, as you can see. Let's go over this side and show you the patio here. And also, I'll just show you the side access. Quite a wide side access, quite decent. There you go, plenty of space. Another angle of the garden. And I'm just going to step into the garden here towards the end, turn round and give you an idea of the back of the house. You can see the double-storey extension there, very nicely fitted in. The brickwork is excellent. It just matches the previous, or the existing house, and also the kitchen extensions just at the ground floor. So yeah, really good sized family home, this one. Garage to finish, so a really good sized garage, like a 1.5 size garage, I guess, but it does have a very wide door, as you can see straight away. There's the front door. This is an electric up and over door as well. Good lighting in the garage. So that is the garage. So just coming to the end of the tour, just to let you know, we're very close to Southlake Primary School, short walk away, but also I think for most people that are reasonably fit, walking into Woodley shopping centre is not a problem from here. We do have more local shops much closer by, and of course bus services. And then finally from here again, you know, for people that are reasonably fit, walking distance to Earley railway station. That's the Waterloo line, Wokingham in one direction and then into Reading town centre in the other direction. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour of this property. If you'd like to know more details, my name is Gary. By all means call the office. Numbers on the website and ask to speak to me. It's the same telephone number if you'd like to book a viewing appointment. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching.